In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact eBay customer service. Whether you have an issue with a purchase, need some clarifications, or just want to ask a few questions, reaching out to eBay's customer service can provide the assistance you need. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you'll need to follow to make that connection. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to eBay's website. That's simply ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Help and Contact. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked on Help and Contact, the next step is to scroll down the page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the Contact Us link. Once you spot it, click on it. This will direct you to the next crucial stage of getting in touch with eBay's support team. Now that you've reached the Contact Us section, you'll encounter a question. What can we help you with today? You'll see a range of categories or issues that you can choose from. This is eBay's way of streamlining your inquiry to ensure you're directed to the right department or support specialist. Carefully read through the options and select the one that best fits your current issue or question. This step is really about narrowing down the nature of your concern to make sure you're getting the best possible help. Once you've selected the general category for your issue, it's time to get more specific. You'll be prompted to choose a topic that further refines your inquiry. This step is vital because eBay wants to ensure that you're connected with the right representative who has the expertise to help with your specific concern. Take a moment to go through the available topics and click on the one that closely matches your situation. After you've pinpointed the right category and topic, you'll have the option to initiate a chat with eBay's automated assistant. To do this, simply click on Chat with our automated assistant. This is a great first step in getting immediate responses and guidance on your issue. The automated assistant can help you with straightforward questions and guide you on how to resolve common problems. While the automated assistant is a convenient tool, remember that it's just the first line of support. If your issue isn't resolved through this chat, the assistant can help direct you to a live representative or provide additional contact options if necessary. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be well on your way to getting the assistance you need from eBay's customer service team. Remember, being clear about your issue and selecting the right categories and topics will help expedite the process and get you the support you need in a timely manner. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.